Let's start with one of the new functions introduced in Excel, which is filter function. Here I have got some orders table. In this table we have order ID, date, order quantity, sales, profit based on the region, country and the city. Suppose we want to filter the data based on the country, we have to use filter function where the table's name is orders of country equal to Russia. Now we have got the entire screenshot of the data where country is Russia. All this data is being filtered with this filter function. Now here we have to observe one thing. Every data is contained within one cell, which is called as spill range. It supposes spill range, it provides all the data within one cell. If the any data gets added in the form of Russia, like if this United States is changed to Russia, here automatically in this snapshot we will get the data added in this cell. So it contains all the records which is filtered with the country name is equal to Russia.